Afternoon, my business proposal is called Home Perks Coffee. It is planned to be on the downtown of Dubai. It's Pausa Perks, given that it's meant to be an eco-friendly cafeteria. Well, in this case, we have here the vision. It's important to have an insight of start asking the customers to be more pet friendly, and besides that, auditions of a different concept, a different brand, because coffee is only meant for business and not for anything else. So with pets, it will be something new, and within the time it's gonna be profitable. So that's one of the main visions of the company. In this case, well, as I said, it is a pet-friendly cafeteria where customers will enjoy premium quality coffee, snacks, desserts, while spending time with their animal companions, let's say pets, and they will interact with them. As I said, the vision will be to create a cozy community.
Can I ask one thing? This particular cafe, it's for pets only?
No, it is meant to be pet friendly.
Okay. So like if I have a pet, I can bring the pet and dine with the pet?
That's the way.
Okay.
Then after, the idea would be to build partnership with local charities to also encourage pet adoptions. I think that stray dogs in Dubai is not a problem. In other countries it is, in Latin America, but here it will be most related with cats. Certainly we achieve profitability within 18 months through strong branding and customer loyalty. The last one will be expand to multiple locations across 5 years. Let's say by 5 years the metro will be on Silicon Oasis and JVC, so it will be good to be there as well, not only in the main cities of Dubai. Well, sorry for the quality of the picture, but it is most likely be along the one of the most representative landmarks of Dubai, given that it will be visible for either tourism, we students, and most likely target as much people as possible. More pictures of the location. In this case, we have more insights about why the location and the advantage. Besides the accessibility and public transportation, it is convenient and it will be affluent for either the people on the Burj Khalifa and we around. In this case, talking about the marketing analysis, it is going to be for young professionals. For example, we could network there. Families, established families. We would like to encourage locals, but look, there is some stat that says that 90% of the people here is from other countries, only about 10% are local and native here.
90% from other countries?
Yeah. In this case, raise the Dubai's coffee market. Another thing is that this is actually happening. The cafeteria market here is worth 10% annually. So that's why a cafeteria.
What is that for?
This is the financial forecast. What will be the growth strategy? Dubai is always very presentable on social media. That's the reason of starting from a website in which on a general way explain them what is the concept, and then by upload pictures, reels on social media, and start targeting people as well, not only people is nearby downtown, is around the metro, but it is also something trendy on media. And well, then after...
This is actually a promotional campaign, not growth.
Exactly, I was about to talk about immersion program.
Collaboration and all that is it.
I've been seeing that, for example, specific companies has kiosks in which you will use a QR code, you enter your account, you get this order, but by getting this order, you eventually have points. Points will redeem to
Cash.
cash redeem to not loyalty, but recurring sales and customers visits and so on. Then the cross promotion will be something important, collaborating with other brands. And well, this is the conclusion, not only serve premium quality, but have an atmosphere for almost everyone. Then after if perhaps you have some poor allergies to petrol, that the more is not for you, but it's meant for family or people growing their networking. That's about it.
Okay, just add one slide on legal aspect, legal concerns like licensing costs, cafe, what all certifications you require, okay, how many days, I mean little bit of legal and risk involved. Risk involved. In the guidelines I've given the last point, risk and legal consideration. Just involve that, otherwise it's okay.
Okay, so
2 slides.
Only those 2 are missed because yeah, this is the conclusion. I